Here you can see that we are using this app.useRouting middleware. Now I just want to verify whether they are using the next method or not in this use routing. Remember, the ASP.NET Core application is an open source framework. It means the code of this framework is available open for the public. And if it is open, then we can simply dig in the code of this use routing method. Let's copy the name of this method. To view the code for this ASP.NET Core base libraries, we need to open the GitHub. So here in the next tab, you need to open github.com. Then simply type .NET, then ASP.NET Core and press enter button. Here we are in the official repository of ASP.NET Core application. Then over here, by using this search text box, you can search for your code. Let's say I want to search for this use routing. I can search this use routing in the current repository or all the repositories that are available on GitHub. So basically I want to search the code in this repository. Okay, so here we got some result, and if I scroll down a little bit, then at this place you can see that we are having the implementation of this use routing method. Let's right click on this one and choose open new tab. So here you can see we have the implementation of this use routing method. Here you can see that this is an extension method for this iApplication builder, and that is the reason that we are able to use this method by using app.useRouting. This is again returning the iApplication builder, and here you can see that the actual code for this middleware is written inside this endpoint routing middleware, and we are using this middleware by using the use middleware method. So this is how we are injecting this code. Now to go more in the details, we need to focus on this endpoint routing middleware. Let's copy this method also over here. Now instead of using this use routing, let's search for this endpoint routing middleware. Press the enter button. And here we have the details for this endpoint routing middleware. Let's open it in the new tab. Here you can see this is a new class. Here you can see we are resolving this next by using the dependency injections, and the field name is _next. Now here you can see we have the invoke method, and in the invoke method we have written some code, and just focus on this line, middleware.set routing and continue. So basically we are setting the routing at this place and we are just continuing the request. So let's copy this name, search for this method again, and here is the method, and here you can see we are calling the next method, and basically we are passing the HTTP context in this custom file. This is how we can verify the use of this next method.